Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting for all you car enthusiasts out there. We're taking a first look at the 2025 Cadillac CT5, and trust me, this iconic sedan is far from dead. Cadillac is back with a bang, and we're about to dive deep into what makes this car a game-changer. Exterior design. Let's start with the exterior design of the 2025 CT5. Cadillac has always been known for its bold and distinctive styling, and this model is no exception. With its sharp lines, sleek profile, and Cadillac's signature grille, the CT5 exudes confidence and luxury. Interior luxury. Stepping inside, you'll find a cabin that's nothing short of impressive. The 2025 CT5 boasts a refined interior with high-quality materials, top-notch craftsmanship, and the latest technology. From the plush leather seats to the futuristic infotainment system, Cadillac has spared no expense in making the CT5 a true luxury sedan. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, you'll have a range of powerful engine options to choose from, including turbocharged 4-cylinders and V6 engines. The CT5 offers a smooth and responsive ride, with precise handling that's perfect for both city cruising and highway driving. Plus, the available all-wheel drive ensures you're always in control, no matter the road conditions. Technology. Cadillac has really upped its tech game with the 2025 CT5. It's packed with cutting-edge features, including a large touchscreen infotainment system, a fully digital instrument cluster, and advanced driver assistance systems that enhance safety and convenience. You'll also enjoy smartphone integration, wireless charging, and a premium sound system for the ultimate driving experience. Safety. Safety is a top priority for Cadillac, and the CT5 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a suite of safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and more. Cadillac wants to keep you and your loved ones safe on the road. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Cadillac CT5 is a sedan that proves the sedan segment is far from dead. With its striking design, luxurious interior, powerful performance, and advanced technology, it's a compelling option for anyone in the market for a premium sedan. So, if you've been wondering about the future of sedans, rest assured, Cadillac is here to show that they are very much alive and kicking. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. Before we go, let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Cadillac CT5. Are you excited about its return to the market? And as always, stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and automotive content right here on our channel. See you next time.